This is a black tiger shrimp pond.
They were white shrimp. No, black tiger. White shrimp.
So where does the water come from? From the rain?
Yeah, apart from rain, apart from underground water, and from the river.
Oh, okay.
You carry a net. They have two bamboo sticks
on either side of the pond. They take the net
and they go around
all the way over to the other side.
Oh yeah.
And then they drop the nets and then they pull it around.
They use the battery to create like a electricity shock to the shrimp.
Oh.
Otherwise, the shrimp will jump out of the net.
Okay.
Like freeze the shrimp and take it and go around and at the end of the pond they will collect and they go another round and here another group they will collect it, wash it and keep it with ice.
Oh.
If we want to raise shrimp, we have to empty the pond. We take out the mud and then we dry the bottom of the pond for a few weeks under the sunshine to kill bacteria. Usually we have to spend two months to prepare the pond.
Cá cái dài này được mấy con là quan trọng nè.
Nó nhiều à. Không tôm tôm nuôi mà phải tôm tự nhiên đâu. Tôm nuôi mà nó tự nhiên. Bây giờ nó cũng vậy chứ.
In this area we don't have big shrimp because
It's going to get itself right back in the water.
Smart ones.
you see from the same pond but different sizes.
Yeah. How long will they live for out of the water?
If we want to keep, maximum we can keep for 4.5 months.
No, out of the water. How long does it live?
Few minutes.
Oh yeah.
But for black tiger it's okay. You can do it like that and have a look and put it back. For Vaname you have to do it quick. And you know why small shrimp now is difficult to find? Because domestic market demand for it increase. And smaller shrimp they can
domestic
sell
market,
to
yeah.
Do you know why our workers don't want to stay in dormitory?
Gee, I don't know why.
because if they stay in dormitory, they cannot take girlfriend or boyfriend in.
Oh.
Oh.
How many people live here?
For this house we have 30 to 35.
So this is a sitting area
Yeah, raw material receiving area.
or receiving area.
Yeah. We sit here and we wash and we.
So when you have shrimp,
Are
Rob,
these dead now?
Yeah, they're dead.
They're dead.
so when you get tiger shrimp, okay, you're gonna have different colors. This is what they call blue or gray. This is a brown, okay? That's a black brown. So when they grade them in the raw set, when they grade raw, I'll ask them to put those in one box and this in another box.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Because these will cook up with the brighter stripe, the gray or the blue.
Why are they different? Just the feed?
Yeah,
just the way-
the feed. Genetic.
Genetic.
It's all Peneus.
Can I just...
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen that before. It's amazing.
For black tiger, from one pond, you may have very big shrimp and very small shrimp. For Vaname, uniform is perfect. You may have 2 or 3 sizes in one pond. But for black tiger, sometimes you have 10 different sizes in one lot.
Oh, is
one
that right?
pond.
They just grow all differently.
So now they get a wash
Yeah, they have to wash.
and go into grater.
No, another wash.
Another wash, okay. Ice bath, basically. Ice bath and a clean.
So it doesn't matter that they're dead. Like there's not a time frame they have to be in. And
Miss, when did these shrimps leave the pond? Last night.
This morning.
Last night. In the middle of the night, they get pulled from.
Early morning they harvest. Early morning, because if they harvest in the afternoon, it's too dark for them. If they harvest in the daytime, it's too hot for them.
So they harvest like 3 o'clock in the morning.
3 or 4 o'clock in the early morning, or sometimes in emergency. If the shrimp has problem, it's another case, another
Okay.
question.
So then they feed this, and then you turn it on, and the shrimps go through to healing room, deheading room. Okay. Always ice. Always.
always, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you have to control temperature from raw material receiving up to finished product.
You can really see the difference in the color.
Sure can, yeah.
And they're messy buggers, as you can see from their gloves. When they pull the head off, there's a lot of rusty, like in a lobster, it would be like the tamale.
Tamale, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's got the thumb thing on, okay? Tell us you can work. Doesn't have to stop the
This is for
head on.
no, we call it bikini strip.
What?
Bikini,
Pinkinese,
bikini, yeah. Just
head on, peeled.
the peel in the central peel.
Are they all that way, or is that regular peeling over there? Yeah. Go to the next table.
Quay lỏng này.
So the thing on her thumb is going to pull out the vein on the back. Okay? Yeah, it's called needle deveining. Okay? That costs $3. About 5 cents more, right? For needle deveining? Yeah. Yeah. So they'll do nobashi either raw peeled and or they'll bread it. You do both ways. If it's just raw, they put them in little like meat trays and backpack them to go to Japan. Okay, so this is P&D line? No.
Pindi and
And what?
Easy peel.
PEO and it's still it's easy peel.
You know what easy peel is,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. So they're just splitting the shell down the back and pulling the vein out. And then It's being graded over here. Graded.
Now they select some that's out.
So they're grading the size of color.
For interview, we really separate by color and glazing. In the past, we used the spray system, but after 1 or 2 years, the water spraying system become ruined and rusted, and we cannot freezer. Yeah, and last freezer.
So this is for block shrimp.
Yeah.
Block shrimp.
And no underwear freezer.
You want to go that way?
I'll just walk.